Okay, we're going to be replacing a wiper motor on a Kenworth T680. As you can see, our wipers are not resting in the right position. They're about halfway up the windshield. They're supposed to be coming down. I'll show you what it does. That thing sounds good, baby. As you see, the wipers are not working properly. They're stopping halfway in the windshield and then going down. Like, that's their parking position. When I go to cut them off, that's where they stop. So we're gonna see if the wiper motor will fix this problem. All right, so as you can see, the wiper motor is located right behind this little bracket here. You gotta pop these arms. That's what rotates your wipers back and forth. Connect it to the motor itself. We're gonna use a pry bar and pop them off. And you got like 3 bolts in there holding the motor on, and you gotta release your clip. Alright guys, got the arms off the motor. Just use the little pry bar so I can caught up on them, popped them off there. Okay, so the 3 bolts that's in the holding the motor onto the bracket there takes a T680 start bit. We're gonna get these released. All right, we're done. It took me about 45 minutes all by myself. Got it installed. Let's see what happens. All right, as you can see, it's no longer in the middle of the windshield. Much better view for my husband to drive. Put the wipers on and see what happens, guys. You notice they're not stopping in the middle no more. They're riding on. Cut them off. They are parked in the right position. Thank you, Jesus, for guiding me and teaching me. Thanks for watching. All right, I just want to point out a couple of things. So when I uninstalled it and reinstalled it, I removed this bar off of the motor itself so you can get it in and out of that hole. When I took it out, I removed it that way. But when I put it in, I had to put it in from this direction. So there's a little pointer for you, made it a little easier. Made a baby, all fixed.